Let's use this circuit schematic to take physical measurements on a prototype circuit. Here we see 11 resistor, 3 voltage source. These are the custom-made voltage sources for this project, and then 2 current sources. I've attached the black negative lead of my multimeter to node 9, which is at the bottom, and then I'm going to run through all the individual nodes to get the data that I want. So we'll start with node 1. Let's go ahead and put this, let me go ahead and just do one thing here. I'm going to shrink this circuit schematic diagram up on the top right hand side so I can remember which node is which. I see over here my node 1 must be up at the top here, so let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to write these down as I'm working. So this is going to be 2.68 volts, 2.680 volts. It's kind of hard to see this. There's not enough room on this desk, but I'll go ahead and make that. Okay, so node 2 is going to be up top in between resistors 2 and 4. So I'm going to put node 2 right up there. And this is going to be negative 0.780 volts. And then node 3 is going to be between resistors 4 and the voltage source. So on the other side of this resistor, if I connect this, that's going to be node 4, which is going to be negative 3.272 volts. And then let's go ahead and move over a little bit. So node 4 is going to be over on the other side of my voltage source. So that must be over here. The negative lead of my white and black is a 2.5. So this must be node 4. Let's go ahead and connect. It looks like it's going to be negative 5.73 volts, 7374. And then node 5 is going to be on the other side of that resistor. So looks like I have a positive 1.392. I can see that I made a typo in this, and we can check my other video to make sure that that's true. Let's go to node 6, which is going to be right in between resistor 1 and 2. So resistors 1 and 2 are right here. This is going to be 1.691 volts. And then, of course, my node 7 is going to be over here between the current source and those resistors. So if I attach there, looks like it's going to be negative 3.76667. I'm not sure which. Circuit, I'll just take 66 because that's the one that I thought about first. And then over here, we're going to get node 8, which is negative 4.82 volts. So far, these were all volts. This was in millivolts, but I just did the conversion for myself. And then if I was really excited, I could go ahead and measure the difference in the ground node. And indeed, I get 0.000 volts, which is what I expected. That is the measurement process that I wanted to show you. To figure out how to build this thing, I have build instructions on the website, but this validates the data that I'm going to present. Thanks for your attention, y'all. I appreciate it. Just realized I made a mistake. This is supposed to be, this was in millivolts, right? So milli means it was 139 millivolts. So if I go 3 over, it would be 0.1392, which is what I expected. Sorry about that. That was a bad mistake. All right. See you later.